Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing what are we doing? Today we are doing a look on this hairstyle. This is heatless curls with some rollers. Now I did a video on this a couple of years back, I think around 2014, and I wanted to give you guys an updated version because a lot of you guys liked that last video. So if those subscribers are still here to this day, here's a new and updated one. But regardless, if you guys want to get a heatless curling look like this one, super bouncy and will last all day with your hair, I got you. But before we get into it, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you guys like videos like this, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. It does help me. And let me know what you guys want to see next. I need these ideas going. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Hey guys, I am back. Okay, so I'm doing a voiceover since I actually didn't talk on this part of the video, but I'm gonna do that for you guys right now. Right here, I'm showing you guys my rollers, the small one and then also the big one. This is the one I got from Walmart, and the small one I got from Sally's Beauty. You also need a brush and a water spray. First, what I'm doing is brushing my hair out, making sure all the tangles are out, and then spraying it with some water. I'm sorry if I sound a little stuffy. I think I got sick 2 days ago, but today I'm really feeling it the most stuffy. So I apologize for that. But right now I'm going to part my hair and spray a little bit more water on the lower half. You don't have to have your hair completely soaked, but you want it a little wet, mildly wet. So what I'm going to do is use the bigger rollers for the back of my head and the smaller rollers for the front part of my head. That way the front curls are more curly. So what I'm doing here is grabbing a piece of hair and rolling it around the roller. I like to grab 1/2 inch of hair, maybe just a little bit less, depending, and you want to roll it around that roller really tight and put together. The hardest part about using rollers is pinning the end to the roller. So what I like to do is pin right on top of that end piece and bend that roller down. And I'm going to show you guys a couple of times, that way there's like different angles, you guys can see different ways of pinning this hair down. So you want to roll it, this one's kind of hard to tell, pin that hair piece down and then pin the other roller over it. It takes a little bit of practice, but you will get it, promise. Super easy. So we're going to roll it really tight together. The more put together it is, the cuter the curls. The more sloppy the curls are, the more, I guess you could say, natural looking. And ta-da! We're going on the left side. Let me show you how that looks. This is when I'm curling outwards. You can curl inwards, you can curl outwards. It's really up to you. Right now, I am trying to pin that end piece together, so I like to lay one of the rollers right on top of that end piece of hair. Ta-da! Bring it together. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Gosh, I hope I'm not gonna get sick, any more sick after this. I have to work for 2 weeks straight, and then I get a little break. Your girl get a little break, and then call it a month. I am so excited for this money, and then I get a little break. Okay, see, same thing. We're pinning it right on top of that end piece strand of hair. That's how you keep it in place. Now, the most inconvenient part of using rollers is sleeping in them, because you don't want to use heat on these rollers, since, you know, that's the kind of defeats the purpose of using rollers, in my opinion. So sleeping in these are the worst, but you get cute curls. Beauty is pain, isn't that what they say? Or beauty is lack of sleep. Shake my head. Okay, so what we're doing is curling it and clipping it. Bam. Hey guys, let me know what you guys want to see for this Halloween. I don't really know what I'm gonna make yet, or what to create, what kind of makeup. I don't know if I can top my last few years of creativity. So we're doing the same thing in the back. I'm just brushing my hair out a little bit and making sure the curls look neat, curling it around this roller. Ta-da! And bam. For my bangs, I like to curl my bangs inwards because it looks kind of like a Marilyn Monroe front curl. If I curl it outwards, it looks a little bit awkward. So always curl your bangs inwards, like this, in towards you, not out, in towards you. But it is preference, so if you guys like outwards, it is what it is. After this clip, we are going to get back into non-voiceover video so you guys can hear my natural voice. Alright, let's do this. Alright guys, I'm back. I know I look crazy. We are now going to undo these rollers that I've slept in, as you can tell. So it's had like, I don't know, 8-9 hours to be in this form. So let's go ahead and start unrolling. I'll start from the back first. I like to start from the back because it's more organized to start from the back and then come towards the front when you release your hair. That way, because if you release here, it's kind of hard to tell what's in the back. But that's because of my preference. So we're just gonna go ahead and undo this. Ta-da! Super kinky and curly. So I'm not gonna mess with it just yet. I'm gonna go ahead and unroll all of them and then go back in to kind of make it look more natural, run my fingers through it. I like to shake it off a little bit. Ta-da! Heatless curls. Now that we have all the rollers out, I am going to run my fingers through my hair to make it look a little bit more natural. Kind of separate the curls a little bit so it doesn't look too chunky and unnatural. I really like how the small curls turned out. I think it's super cute. Super, super cute. That's actually my first time using those steel rollers, and I think it is adorable. See, these curls are so cute. gonna rub it over here to make sure that all of the hairs are back in place. It almost looks like I have bangs right here, like chopped bangs. Okay, this is so cute. Okay, so I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with this bang yet because it's a bit much. So let me see. I'm gonna separate this. What I think I'm gonna do is pin this part back, roll it up a little bit and pin it back right here. And then for this area, we'll keep it like so. So that is the end of this video. So the rollers I use, I got these from Walmart. This is Conair Spiral Curlers Body and Bounce. There are 2 sizes. One is, doesn't even give the measurements. I was gonna tell you guys the measurements, but I can't tell you, I don't know math. The other pack, which is the teal green, I got this from Sally Beauty, and this is a 10-inch by 5/16. You know, I'm not good at math, so basically it's 10 inches, guys. And this is the diameter. So the smaller the roller, the smaller your curls. The bigger the roller, the bigger the curls. And that's why I put the smaller curlers in the front, so it can be a little bit more detailed in the front, and then big curls in the back. Now, it is not the most comfortable way to sleep when you have rollers in your head, but if you let it roll overnight, if you leave these in overnight, your hair is more bouncy without all that heat using a curling iron or, you know, straightening iron. But yes, I didn't put anything in my hair, only water, brush it out and use water, and that is all that is to it. Now the tricky part is clipping the rollers into a way where it clips to the end. Now, when I first started off using rollers, it was harder to clip the ends where the rollers kind of meet. It's harder to clip the hair together where it doesn't let loose in the middle of the night when you're rolling around, but you will eventually get into it, and just replay this video a couple of times during that technique and you guys will have it down pat. I promise. If I can get it, you can get it. Trust Mizzetta. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I will be more than happy to answer them. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I cannot wait for Halloween because I will be posting out a ton of makeup videos. Okay, a ton as in like 3, okay? Maybe 3 makeup videos. But if you guys have any ideas what you guys want to see this Halloween, let me know. I got you. So that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you in my next one.